Pre-poll alliance, the exact ministers will be Soni. Pre-poll alliance means 2 MG, 8 BJP including Chief Minister. One seat which is vacated by me and one independent. The process of consultation could not be completed because of lack of time. It will be done next week because one seat is BJP's seat, but since I have vacated, that will be done next week. Departments also will be given next week because everyone is rushing to Delhi for after the swearing in for my swearing in.
म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी एकमतान निवड केल्याबद्दल हांव सगळे सहकारी सगळ्या सहकाऱ्यांचे हांव शतशः आभारी आसा. आमचे प्रभारी हांगा मुद्दाम आयिल्ले राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष वेंकय्याजी येडियुरप्पाजी आयिल्ले, रुडीजी मुद्दाम आयिल्ले. ह्या सगळी संपूर्ण दिसाची प्रक्रिया करून एकमतान म्हजी निवड पक्षाच्या सगळ्या आमदारांनी केल्ली आसा. त्यामुळे सगळ्या आमदारांचे आणि श्रेष्ठींचे हांव शतशः आभारी आसा. आज शपथविधी जातलो. शपथविधी 4 वरांचेर 4 वरां 4 मिनटांचेर शपथविधी ठरयल्लो आसा.
Ms. Ahmed, you are okay with the party decision?
No, it is not a party decision. It's a MLA decision. MLAs have spoken to the High Command and they have given their opinion.
तुम्ही काल जे स्टँड घेतलेलं
माझं stand
तुम्ही
आहे.
opposite होत आहे.
No, what's now? What I told yesterday was, कोणाक माझ्या वयर घालपा जायना म्हणून. They should put me. But today MLA is elected.
How many MLAs? Any idea like how many?
All 21 were there. So all 21 were present.
So all 21 support.
No, majority must have voted for you.
You were informed how that the majority were.
I was told by the High Command people that the majority have voted for you. So I have to accept the vote of the people.
It is not a party decision, but it is the decision of MLAs. कशी हे करतात?
No. This is very clear, the decision of the party. If it was a decision of the MLAs, then that decision should have been out in the open. Who is with whom? That should have been a poll, as I have said in the beginning. Since there is no poll, it is very clear that it is a decision of the party. Maybe for whatever good reasons. There was no need to go through all this show.
Paresh Bab,
because as Paresh said in the morning itself, that Parsekar is finalized. If that is so, why this show?
म्हाका दिसता न्ही ताच्या पयलीं हे सगळे कन्फ्युजन जे जालें. तुजी मुलाखत ताची घेतली.
म्हजी मुलाखत घेतली. तुम्ही ह्या सगळ्या जवाबदार तूं म्हाका धरता.
You are the culprit of all.
I am the culprit. म्हाका एक सांगात रे बाब, आवेर्तान will not be sworn in. How significant is this and what तातूंतल्यान कितें मेसेज दिवपाक पळयतात ते?
मेसेज तशें आतां तांणी जे सांगलें की भाजपचे 8, मोगोचे 2, 10 जाणांचो आज स्वेरिंग इन जातलो आनी एक तांणी आपलो जो जागो रिकामो जाला तो दवरला. अशा तरेन सध्या आमी आज 10 जाणांची शपथविधी जावपाक शकता.
ताणें अशें म्हणूं ना की आवेर्तान घेवचें ना
अशें म्हणूं
ना. ताणें म्हळां की आवेर्तान will not be sworn in today.
But they want to have meeting with all those independent people.
So what changed in last 48 hours जंय आवेर्तानाचेर rethink करपाची परिस्थिती आयली?
It is possible that they are having a rethink on Mickey over Avertan.
No.
Or maybe they are swearing in Avertan. Who knows? But looks like there is a dispute.
Looks like
this is a dispute.
This is not a smooth sailing for Avertan.
Correct. I will put it differently. There are 3 independents supporting BJP. हाका 2.5 वर्सां चान्स मेळ्ळो. आतां आनी कोणाक चान्स दितले ते? Why only one independent should get a chance? Rotation आसूं येता.
You are saying it will go to independent and not Mickey.
It may go to anybody.
As good as independent.
It goes independent. It's supporting the government.
What is your analysis, Sunil? कोणा वचपाक शकता?
At this moment, the decision that BJP has taken not to take Avertan in, it gives an indication that they might go in for a change. They might induct either another independent who is supporting. There are a few independents are supporting their government, or it may be any other regional parties MLA like Mickey was also in waiting. So it may be anything. It is too premature to comment because it is ultimately their internal decision what they will take.
एक गजाल जी हें जावची पयलीं जाताली की सगळे जाण मुख्यमंत्र्याक विचारताले की बाबा तुजें रिशफलिंग केन्ना करता कॅबिनेटाचें, कारण कांय मंत्र्यांचो परफॉर्मन्स खूब वायट आशिल्लो जाल्यार कांय मंत्र्यांचो परफॉर्मन्स बरो आशिल्लो. सो ते 2.5 वर्सां जेन्ना सरकाराचो कारभार चलता तेन्ना यू टेक अ कॉल, सॅक दोज हू आर नॉट गुड आनी नवीन ब्लड भितर इंडक्ट कर. दीस वॉज द बेस्ट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू डू दॅट. डू यू थिंक दॅट दे हॅव ब्लोन इट अप?
म्हाका दिसता की आतां सध्या आनी वादाक तोंड फुटचें न्ही. हाका लागून जे आसात मंत्री तांकांच कंटिन्यू करतले आनी तांकां एक संदी दिली वतली. नव्या मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या हाता सकयल तांकां एक संदी दिली वतली आनी मागीर ताचो रिशफलिंग जावं शकता.
देयर इज अ सेइंग, डोंट रॉक द बोट.
हय,
बोट पयलींच हाल्ल्या,
हय.
लेट इट स्टेबिलायज. कळ्ळें न्ही. मागीर जे एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करपाचें आसा तें करुयात आमी.
तुमकां दिसता की परत पार्सेकराक हें कॅबिनेट जें आज स्वेरींग करता ते अमेंड करपाची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसतली?
No, this was a great opportunity to make a change. But the circumstances in which he has himself got chosen, I don't think there was any scope for a change.
There was no scope for maneuvering.
There is no scope for maneuvering. There is scope for one.
पोर्टफोलियोज बदलूंक शकता ते. पोर्टफोलियो बदलपाक शकता.
सो जरी मुनीस बदलले ना तरी पोर्टफोलियोज बदलतले इतले सद्याक तरी दिसता. दुसरी गजाल जी आसा, अशें कितें जालें आसतलें सुनील की फ्रांसीस डिसोजान बंड शमलें, नाराजी गेली, तागे नाराजी तोंडावेल्यान गेली ना, स्टील नाराज, बट थंय ताणें सामकें बरे भशेन ताका हार घालो, बुके बिके दिलो. वॉट आर द पॉसिबल फॅक्टर्स दॅट लेड टू बंड शंपा भितर?
हांवें तुका वदळूच सांगला, तो तांचो जो एंटायर प्रोसेस ते चलयतालो, जशें केकरे बाबान म्हणलें, इफ इट वॉज डेमोक्रेटीक इनफ दे कुड हॅव डन इट व्हेरी स्मूथली. दे कुड हॅव हेड अ सिंपल पोल and they could have released the decision outside. What was going on there was they were trying to impose the decision of the party. They were convincing them. Other body language तुमकां सांगले तशें ते pressure tactic करून they were putting things in place. So that is Francis D'Souza must have fallen a prey to their pressure tactics.
कितें दिसता, what can be the factors which led to?
नाही, पक्षान आपलो उमेदवार ठरव. हातूंत म्हाका चुकीचें कांय दिसना. कोणाक इच्छा आसूंक शकता, फ्रांसिसाक दिसला आसत की आपूण जावचो, पूण तुजी जेन्ना मेजॉरिटी ना, तुज्या फाटल्यान तितले आमदार ना, तेन्ना तूं खंयच्या आधाराचेर तूं म्हणूंक शकता की आपल्याक मुख्यमंत्री करा.
But this position is also not correct, because if we look at the composition of the house, I don't think that Parsekar has majority in the house. At least amongst them, if you take a poll, this would have been right. I think if the position was Arlekar, then this would have been correct. It looks like Arlekar has a greater position in terms of numbers, acceptability than Parsekar.
Doctor, this is basically like guesswork.
Guesswork,
right?
plain guesswork.
But I'll give you one factual figure. Okay, in 20 hours, BJP Goa was able to elect an undisputed leader. Must be record all over India. 20 hours.
Congress has been doing that for years.
Yes, I will disagree.
That only.
See, you cannot say Parsekar is the undisputed leader. He is the most disputed leader today. After what has happened in last 24 hours, Parsekar is the most disputed leader. There was no consensus. They had to take a parliamentary board meeting in the morning, hold the decision of the parliamentary board till the legislature wing meeting of the BJP to put the disputes at rest. So you cannot say he is the undisputed leader. I'm sorry.
सेलिब्रेशन सुरू जाल्या, त्या सेलिब्रेशनची ल्हानशी विज्युअल्स पळोवया आणि परत येऊया. म्हाका लास्ट एक गजाल सांगात परेश बाब, वॉट इज द एडवायस टू द न्यू चीफ मिनिस्टर?
नव्या मुख्यमंत्र्यान बरें काम करचें. गोंयच्या फुडें खूब प्रश्न आसात जे सोडोवपाचे आसात. पयलीं म्हणजे स्वताची इमेज आनी इम्प्रूव करची, एक बरो मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून लोकां फुडें वचचें, आनी गोंयचे सामान्य जनतेचे जे अनेक प्रश्न आसात, बारीक सारीक प्रश्न आसात, लोकांची खूब अपेक्षा नासता की आपल्या सदच्या जगण्याचे हें मातशें सोंपें जावचें इतली जनता अपेक्षा करता. तर त्या खातीर एक बरें सरकार जे फाटल्या 2 वर्सांनी मेळ्ळें तशें एक बरें सरकार हाचे फुडें मेळचें आनी एक बऱ्या वातावरणान गोंयांत सगळ्यांक जगपाक मेळचें.
क्लियरफॉर बाब, द एडवायस एंड इज इट पॉसिबल टू कम आउट ऑफ द शॅडो ऑफ मनोहर पर्रीकर?
I think Manohar Parrikar himself has told that he will be under his watchful eyes, and I also believe that Manohar Parrikar will be shadowing the new chief minister designate. Advice is on immediate basis. The regional plan should be finalized. Next is improve the investment climate in the state.
एडवाइस बी दिता
आता पयली एकूच सांगतलो हांव एडवायस दिवचे पयलीं की जशी की म्युझिक बी खंयची कंपनीची पायरेटेड सीडी येता पळय तशें मुख्यमंत्री पदाचें पायरेटेड व्हर्शन आयलां कळ्ळें सो तें पायरेटेड व्हर्शन लोकांक
पिक्चर
तो नवो मनीस न्हय तो मंत्री आसलो सो ते पायरेटेड व्हर्शन आतां कशें चलता तें पळोवपाक जाय फुडले 2.5 वर्सां उरल्या पण एक ताका एडवायस म्हणल्यार बरे भशेन सरकार चलय 2.5 वर्सां फाटलीं चल्ल्या तशें तरी चलोवं नाका आनी मातशें जीएमसी तुवें बी दवरलेली ते लेवलाक वचनासतना मातसो सुदार प्लीज इम्प्रूव युअर सेल्फ एंड गिव अस अ गुड गव्हर्नन्स ऑल द बेस्ट
ठीक रे बाब You started this debate with Sachin Tendulkar.
Rupa Torrido Premium Thermals. सर्दियों में only Torrido.
See, we have to give him a fair chance.
टी ग्रुप की मिली चाय.
Okay. We have to give him at least 1 year to prove himself.
Rupa
Thermocol.
It's very hot.
As number 2.
एक वर्ष वाला election तक चले.
Energy efficient room heaters.
But then you can't give him 6 months.
Macro women.
To prove himself एक वर्ष तक दिवपाक जाय. And I wish him all the best.
Pramod, I would also like to add 2 other things that are extremely important are a functioning information commission and a Lok Ayukta, which we have been lacking in the past 2.5 years.
We also agree very much on this.
पार्सेकरांनी पार्सेकरूच रावचे पर्रीकर जावपाचो प्रयत्न करचो न्ही स्वताचे एक हें दाखोवचें पार्सेकर म्हणून एक म्हणजे फाल्यां अशें जावंक शकता की लोक पार्सेकराची याद करतले अशें एक काम करून दाखोवचें.
सो म्हाका दिसता दिस इज द रायट नोट टू एंड दीस. लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर नवे मुख्यमंत्री जाल्यात तांकां आमचे सगळ्याच्या वतीच्यान शुभेच्छा सगळे गोंयकारांच्या वतीच्यान शुभेच्छा पण एकच आसा की अल्टिमेटली काम बरें करचें पडटलें आनी परेश बाबान जशें सांगलां की पर्रीकार जावपाचो प्रयत्न करचो न्ही पार्सेकार जावन नवीन कितें तरी तयार करून स्वताची एक इमेज मेकओवर करून तातूंतल्यान परफॉर्मन्स दाखोवचो. 2.5 वर्सां उरल्यात म्हाका दिसता केकरे बाब म्हणटा तशें 1 वर्स जर दिलें जाल्यार मागीर इलेक्शन तेंकतलें. सो ज्या मुमेंटाक तुमी देंवल्यात ग्रावंडाचेर त्या मुमेंटा सावन तुमकां धांवपाक सुरू करपा जाय. देर इज नो चान्स ऑफ टेकिंग एनी रेस्ट. सो वी हॅव बीन रनिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 48 hours एंड वी हॅव टू कंटिन्यू रनिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 years. अशें हाजेर आमी थांबतात. तुमी आयले इतली बरी भासाभास केली. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.